Assalamu alaikum Next City students. Welcome to the academic session 2020-21. Hope you all are doing well and enjoying learning the lecture. Today is our third lecture of science for grade 5. A short review about our previous lecture, which is related to evaporation. The change of a liquid into a gas at any temperature is called evaporation. Today's topic is what is condensation. What is condensation? When water vapor loses enough heat, it changes into liquid water. The change of a gas into a liquid is called condensation. It is the reverse of evaporation. Now look at this image. Have you ever seen your bathroom mist up after you take a hot shower? Can you guess why this happens? The answer related to this is there is hot water vapor in the bathroom when you take a hot shower. When this water comes into contact with the cold surface of the mirror, it loses heat and changes into liquid water. This forms the mist of tiny water droplets on the mirror. Here is another example of condensation. Kindly refer to page number 18. Now look at the image on the slide. You can see water droplets on the cold outer surface of a glass. Can you imagine why and how the mist is formed on the cold outer surface? The answer related to this is there is water vapor in the air. When the water vapor comes into contact with the cold outer surface of the glass, it loses heat to the glass. The water vapor cools down and changes into droplets of liquid water on the outer surface of the glass. Now we will see the differences between condensation and evaporation. The first will come to condensation. The first point is it is a change in state from a gas into a liquid. The second point, an example of condensation is the white mist that forms above boiling water. Now we'll relate to this with evaporation. The first point, it is a change in state from a liquid into a gas. The second point is an example of evaporation taking place is when wet clothes dry. Now try doing activity which is related to this session, which is on page number 20. What we have learned today is the change of gas into a liquid is called condensation. It is the reverse of evaporation. An example of condensation taking place is when dewdrops form. The third, water vapor condenses into liquid water when it loses enough heat. So with this we have completed the third part of our first chapter. In the next session we will be learning the last part of the first chapter. That is what is water cycle. Hope you all enjoy learning and thank you. Have a nice day, grade 5.